Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you a MetaMask plus Polymarket tutorial for beginners. MetaMask is a crypto wallet that lets you store, send, and connect your digital assets to websites. Polymarket is a prediction platform where you can trade on real-world event outcomes using crypto. First, install MetaMask on your browser or phone. After installing, create a new wallet and securely save your secret recovery phrase. This is very important because if you lose it, you cannot recover your wallet. Next, add funds to MetaMask. You can buy crypto like USDC or ETH from an exchange and send it to your MetaMask wallet address. Make sure you are using the correct network supported by Polymarket, usually Polygon. Now open Polymarket in your browser. Click Connect Wallet and select MetaMask. Approve the connection when MetaMask pops up. After connecting, you can browse different markets like politics, crypto, sports, or entertainment. Each market shows a question like, will X happen, with yes and no options. To participate, choose a market and decide how much you want to bet. You buy shares for yes or no depending on your prediction. The price changes based on demand, similar to trading. When the event finishes, the correct outcome pays out, and the winning side gets a profit. If you are wrong, you lose the amount you invested in that trade. Important tips for beginners: start with small amounts, double-check wallet connections, and never share your MetaMask seed phrase with anyone. Also, understand that prediction markets are risky because prices can change quickly based on news and public sentiment. Overall, MetaMask is your wallet, and Polymarket is the platform you connect it to for prediction trading. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.